to the channel. It's the Lady Page, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little wig review. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing this wig that my sister got from TikTok. Now it's called U&A wigs, and originally this is something that she bought for herself to try out because she seen a girl promoting and thought that, you know, it was a pretty decent wig for a synthetic wig. And she actually don't wear synthetic wigs. But then when she changed her mind and said, you know, you can get it because, you know, I wear synthetic wigs. I love a good synthetical. So she gave it to me. So I'm finna unbox it, but it is already open. But it's not because I previously opened it. It's because my sister opened it. So let's just get into it. All right, so this is the box that it came in. U&A. It came with get your $10 back card. So if you write a good review on a wig, they give you $10. A little cap. My sister told me she wants that cap back, so I had to use my own. And then they gave you little goodies. So the goodie bags come with this. You get another wig cap. You get you some clips. Some more clips. And you get this. And I'm not really sure what that is, but I'm gonna open it in a minute. And then you get a scrunchie. That's cute. I'm gonna open this and see what this is. I think this is the thing that you put on your hair to get your hair out your face. Oh my gosh. Ah, this is so cute. Yeah, so you just put it on when you're having your hair, and it pushes your hair out your face. And you can do like your makeup and like wash your face and stuff. You get a little morning routine. This is too cute. I have something like this, but it's like a cat style. But I love the little goodies that they give you. All the accessories is good. And this is the wig. I did have to comment a little bit because my sister did not place it back nicely, y'all. It has layers, as you see. I gotta check out and see how many inches this is. It is pre-plucked. I said pre-plucked. It is pre-plucked. Yeah, I can't talk. It do look a little pre-plucked, but it's pre-cut for you. It has the 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. It already has the elastic band in here. It's supposed to be a glueless wig, by the way. And off back, even though we just got this wig yesterday and she didn't put it back properly in like the bag that it came in, I will say it is very tangly. It's very tangly. Especially on them ends. Now, I didn't put any product on my hair yet, but I do want to put it on. See? How it look. So I gotta put some color on the lace. Ooh. I like it though. Looks real silky. Ooh. Make sure the band is on. I have to cut some of my lace. I knew I had too much lace on. Dang. It's just really tangly. I feel like it's more tangly than usual. So this is the part on the wig. It feels really silky. It's really bone straight. It's giving, like if I had my hair like really pressed, silky, straight, like bone straight, this would be it. But in real life, I don't like my hair this flat, this thin. Cause look at my hair. My head is kind of big. It's circle shaped, and the hair is like really flat. It feels like it sticks to my head, and I don't like that. I like a little body. I like a little density. It don't have too much density in it. Like, let's see. All this hair fits in my hand really fine. Just like this. This is all hair. And it's okay because it's synthetic, but I don't particularly like my wigs to be so thin. There's a good 2 bundles in this wig, and it is really tangly for it only be technically this is day 1, even though it was open yesterday. It's technically day 1. So y'all, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna cut some more of the lace, and then I'm gonna tint it a little bit, then I'm gonna come back. Okay y'all, so I'm back, and I just, you know, cut the lace some more because I always don't cut it like enough lace when I'm doing the ball cap method. And I just really just combed the hair. I'm wearing it glueless, so I didn't like add more glue to it. And so far this is how it looks. It looks pretty natural. I see I was looking at the reviews, people were saying that it was giving like real human. It kind of sort of is. Like if you was looking at me on the street, I don't feel like you would know that this was an actual synthetic wig. And I'm not sure if I told you what the price was, $49, so I will say $50 for this wig. They say that you can put heat on it, so we're gonna test that out. I have a curling iron to see how it holds curls, and I also have a flat iron. We're just gonna see like how they do. And I wanted to test out the length because I could not find the length on the website, on the link. So I think I have some measuring tape somewhere. Okay y'all, I found my measuring tape, and now I'm finna to measure the hair. I'm gonna start from the root all the way down to the little itty bitty last string. I'm gonna say right there. It stopped at 27 inches. So I guess it's 26 inches. 26? Hold on. I don't know. Let me do it again. I don't know. I don't know about that. I feel like it's longer. This is the back. Let's see. This is the back. I don't know if y'all can see. See what is that? Okay, I did it against 28. So I think it's 28 because they do have layers, so I probably hit like a shorter piece. So I'm saying it's 28 inches, y'all. I don't know why they don't tell you that on a box or on the website or in the description, but it's a 28-inch wig. I was gonna guess 30. And when I go outside today, I'm gonna take a little video to show y'all how it look. Down my back, like with a full figure look, for you can actually see like how long it is. Okay, so these are my flat irons. These go up to 410. It don't get to 450. And I'm gonna turn it on, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try 350 first. It's on, I don't know if you see, it's on 350. We're gonna let them get hot, and then I have some curling irons. So these are my curling irons. I'm turning them on. And I think I'm gonna do turbo because that's the setting. And I have these set to the highest that it can go, and it can go up to 25. So we gonna sit, we gonna wait, and we gonna see. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna do a little string test. We're gonna start with the flat iron, 350. Okay, that's pretty good, y'all. It did not melt. Okay. Okay. That's good. That kind of helped the tangles a little bit. It's real tangly. Shoot. Okay. Okay, y'all. All right. That's dope right there. Okay. So now I'm gonna go up. Cause I'm gonna see like what's the highest we can do. I'm gonna go to 410, and we're gonna see if this can last, if this can survive on 410. Next, while we wait for that, I'm gonna take the curling iron and we're gonna see how it can hold curls. Ooh, let's see. Let me take a little piece right here. Okay, I'm gonna curl with the flat iron, y'all, because obviously I'm losing my touch today. Obviously I can't do it. My hair said it will not begin curled. Hey. Okay, the flat iron's clean. And it curled. Not the best curl, but it curled. Okay. And the flat iron is on 410. So it can go up to like the highest. Now I don't know if it can get to 450 because my flat iron don't go to 450, but it can get up to 400. That's what they mean by synthetic wigs have really come a long way. And my sister was like, she was gonna get this wig off, because this is a TikTok wig, y'all. And she was like, she's gonna get this little TikTok shop wig. Girl, I'm like, UA? I don't know who that is. Who is UA? I said, girl, I wear Sensational. Is that what they call it? Sensational? Sensational Outre model. I ain't wear model in years, so I don't even know why I said it. But I'm like, I know those brands. I don't know. UNA. Who's that? That's not bad. This must be like the thing that they promote now. Because as soon as I went to go to the link that she sent me to get the details for the wig, I seen people promoting it. I said, oh, I guess everybody promoting this wig now. But it's nice. I'm gonna keep it straight though. I would have did it like to see. I would have did curls if I was like in a mood to curl. Like really take my time and curl it for y'all, but I just don't have that time today. But I would have did like a curl test, so we'll do that another day. Okay, y'all. So this is the wig, and no, I don't do baby hairs, y'all. I'm so sorry. I just don't do baby hairs. Like they look good on me, but I'm really not all in my baby hair era, really. Like, I just don't do baby hair, so I didn't do any baby hairs. I'm just gonna wear straight. This is literally like, other than me brushing it out the pack. And I may put a TikTok link in there for y'all so y'all can see it if y'all want it. And no, I won't be getting no commission from it because I'm not affiliated with TikTok. So y'all get this, if y'all click on the link, and if y'all buy the wig, y'all just buying the wig. I'm not affiliated with them, y'all. They are not paying me for this. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. Okay, y'all, we're trying to get 100 subscribers. I'm on the way to get 100 subscribers. I want 100 subscribers before the beginning of next year, before 2025. I already need to be at 100. That's the goal. If y'all would love to help me out, I appreciate it so much. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so I just came back on camera to show y'all like how tangly the hair is. So this is what it look like right now, y'all. This is what it look like. This is just day 2. The only reason why I even put it back on is because, you know, of course, my hair is still braided and I'm finna go to work today. So it's real tangy. I mean, it's real tangly. Fingers barely can go through it, y'all. Okay, so it's a cute look, but I can't tell you how long I think it's gonna last. Just a little 2-day update, because I will not be putting this wig on tomorrow. But I'm finna comb it out though, and go to work. If it get tangly, I'm gonna take it back off. Oh, and I did not sleep in this, by the way. I did take it off. I am wearing it gluelessly, like I said earlier. Oh shit, hold on. It's a little snug. I can take it off and put it back on. So I don't sleep in it. And I sleep in your wigs usually make it last a little longer, but this is just real tangly.